I welcome you all to my channel Asmita's Learning Academy. In today's video, I am going to tell you a story about a farmer named Lencho, which I have taken from Standard 10 textbook. Lencho is a hardworking farmer. He works very hard every year sowing his field. But this year, what happens is that his field got completely destroyed in a hailstorm. Along with a strong wind, a hailstorm began to fall and it destroyed all his field, destroyed his entire field. So, seeing his destroyed field, Lencho got so depressed, got so feared that his family had to remain hungry that year without food. So, being a responsible person, he had a complete faith in the help of God. So, what he does is that he decides to write a letter which is addressed literally to God. So, we know in this lesson that Lencho he writes a letter which is addressed literally to God, and what he does in this letter, what he writes in this letter is that he asks God to send him 100 pesos so that he could sow his destroyed field again. So in this way, he literally writes a letter asking to send him 100 pesos in order to sow his field again, so that he he could support his family, and so that his family did not have to remain hungry that year. So when this letter is received by a postman, he starts laughing because in his life he had never seen a person writing a letter which is addressed literally to God. But the postman understands that Lencho, this man, he had so much faith in God that he writes a letter which is addressed literally to God. So he shows this letter to the postmaster. When the postmaster reads the letter and he comes to know that this person is writing a letter which is addressed to God, he's also he is also shocked, and he starts laughing because he had also never seen a letter which is addressed to God. But the postmaster understands Lencho's feelings behind it. He understands that this man, he had a complete faith in the help of God. He did not write, he did not ask for help from any human beings, any person, but he had faith only in God. So, in order not to shake Lencho's faith in God, what the postmaster does is that with the help of other employees at the post office, he, he is able to collect 70 pesos and he sends it to Lencho. What happens after that is that when Lencho receives these 70 pesos, he is shocked, he is not happy because he had so much faith in God, and that he didn't and he did not accept that God would send him only 70 pesos, but he had expected that God would send him the 100 the
He
God
had
would send him
expected
a
that God
100
would send him
pesos that
the
he had
100
asked
pesos which
for.
he had
And
asked
therefore
for.
what he does after that is after that is he writes another letter addressed to God, asking to send him the remaining 30 pesos. So much faith Lencho had in the help of God, we understand from the story. Now, what is the moral lesson that we learn from the story is that if you have faith, faith can move a mountain. If you have faith, you can achieve anything in life. So, faith works so much. So, everything, if you want to be successful in life, You got to have faith in yourself. This is the message that the writer wants to convey to us uh, from the story with the help of this story. So if you have found the video useful, if you have found the story interesting, then please like the video, share it, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching my video.